Okay, so this video is basically just testing things out. So I've got the recording thing on my lap, so it's easier to record. This is basically just testing things. Boop. Well, if we put the magnet over here, it should probably get pulled in. Oh, no, let's try this. Yep, it gets pulled in a bit. And then let's hurry up. Oh, oh, the coil is getting warm. I'm touching it. The coil is getting warm, so I have to turn it off. Okay. This video is basically just electromagnets. Oh, is it working? No. Okay, let's try it. I think the contact's dislocated. Wait. There, it should be good. Let's try this. Oh, it wants to move. Oh, something's happening. Something broke. It's either coil broke or my battery broke because of the I think I'm just low battery, hopefully. Hopefully I'm just low battery. Okay, it's not working. Let's try it with one magnet. Let's put the magnet here. Try it with this. Oh, there, yeah. I think it's just dislocation a bit. It's dancing. Magnet is dancing. Of course, I can't make this video longer than a few seconds, so yeah. Okay, that's just 1 minute of electromagnets. And then boop. It's magic. Okay, let's do a longer test. Let's see what happens when I leave it on. Don't worry, I'm touching it. It's probably not going to catch on fire. When I try turning it, oh, it's getting warm. Yeah, when I try turning it, there's like a force resisting. If you really want to get interested in it, go search up the right hand rule and the left hand rule, which is for motors and generators. I'll turn on more lights. There. Should be better. Let's flip it around. It just stands. Look at that. Put it down and then... Oh, at once. It's getting too far to the coil there. It just stands. And then it really wants to. Look at that, it's just dancing. Let's put another one. Oh. Yeah, sometimes it's too heavy and you have to relocate the magnets. There it is. Look at that. It's a quick science experiment. But for the 4th time, I have to remind you, the coils get hot. Like, not warm, sometimes they get hot. So you have to be really careful. That's why I'm putting my hand over it to feel if the coil is getting warm. I don't want to damage the coil, so I have to stop it early. Anyways, bye. So what we have here is one of the induction coils I made, and I want to use it as an electromagnet. Now what you're looking at is my stick of batteries, my coil, which is just this coil of wire, and a magnet. So the second I click the switch on the battery turns on, and magnet moves. Now, what if we switch it? Now, the magnetic field generated by the coil will try to align with the magnet. Now, the problem is, inductors, they get kind of warm, so it's kind of tricky to hold things with just one hand and use the other hand to record, but there it moves. Flip it around, it should, here it goes. Flip it around again, it should align, keep aligning. Alakazam, I guess. It's funny because this stuff, it seems so simple, but this stuff drives the modern society. It is how motors, generators, and all sorts of stuff works. Like, it's just amazing. Hopefully we get to experiment with proper coils one day at school, but like, this is the very basics of motors, generators, and all sorts of stuff you'll see in everyday life. So I think it's quite important to learn them. Oh, that was pretty strong there. Is it hot? Okay, it's a bit warm. Anyways, bye. Okay, so this is just a continuation of the previous video about the electromagnet, but instead of one magnet, it's two. Let's try this. So, getting hot. Okay, it's a bit warm. Maybe it's, there it goes. It worked earlier. I might be melting the wire or something, yeah. Or the magnet is too heavy. Even that is still pretty cool. There it is. Okay, let's do this again. I'm just gonna keep doing this, and oh, it's on. Oh, shoot, it's quite warm. Okay, so while we're waiting for it to cool down, ow, I'll explain how this works. So imagine you have a wire with electricity flowing from positive to negative. Of course, there will be a magnetic field around the wire. But when you twist the wire, you're basically creating a loop. Like, you're creating a loop like that. Like, this is a coil. And then, because of that, the magnetic field wraps around like that. And so you get a stronger magnetic field, which is what's happening here. Magnetic field, actually I have a good one here. The magnetic field is strengthened here, as said by this Maxwell equation. Electricity in a wire or a coil will create a magnetic field. Now I think it's cooled down for... This is so charming. For the rest of the video, I'll just play with this. There it is. Okay. Now, it also works the other way. If you move a magnet around the coil, you get electricity. Anyways, bye.